about to drive the HJ back to Brisbane. It's driving well.
It drives seems good, it doesn't seem big. So.
Here we are, the 3rd of November 2025. We are leaving the rainy Melbourne behind, heading to Brisbane. The car is not registered, so it is under a driving permit for the next 7 days. We are driving at a maximum speed of 80 km/h and the old Landcruiser is already showing us his quirky side.
The old cruiser, when it rains, it also rains on the inside. You can see the windscreen wipers going, and in the middle there is, the raining on the inside too.
The traffic is getting a little heavier and we are trying to accommodate cars to take over us safely and trucks. Because, we are pretty slow. We're having a bit of a break and we're leaving the old HJ having a breathe. So far, everything is going well. No issues with the car, it's driving amazingly. How's being the drive back?
Loud, bumpy. It's comfy on 90. Over that, it does kind of like...
Yeah, a bit.
Yeah, James is dusty.
Yeah. Okay, you baby boy. You're gonna be loved very soon.
Yeah.
The temperature gauge doesn't work, so we are not able to tell if the car is overheating or not. We decided to do some regular stop to let the cruiser breathe. And now, we are back on the road. It is now 6 p.m. And we are nearly calling it some night. So we actually drove really fast-ish. Tomorrow, by the time we find camp, we'll be 4 hours from the castle, which is wicked. We made it yesterday, 7 p.m. to camp. Now it is 8:15. So step number 1, warming up the old man here. Let's see how it starts. Oh god, no. Quick detail. Before we hit the road, we stopped at car builders in Melbourne to grab everything we need to sunproof the car. Which means we are now driving to Brisbane with a few massive boxes loaded at the back of the trippy. Every night, we've got to unload them into the HJ, and every morning, we need to put them back. It is 10:30, and we're having a break. Beautiful scenery, beautiful breakfast. Anyway, we are going to open the hood of the HJ so it can breathe a little bit. Hopefully it goes well into Newcastle. We have another 2-hour drive. Well, weather has turned to complete shit. Another 2 hours and we'll be in Newcastle. And we're looking forward to being in Brisbane. Did a bit of a drive. The car is quite hot, so topped up the fuel. And now we're gonna go to Woolies to do a bit of grocery shopping. And we are gonna wait a couple of hours for the car to cool down before we finish the last leg, which I think we're about an hour away. So okay, small issue. The Woolies is equipped with bomb gate. We were supposed to park on the street so we didn't have that problem, but Bec didn't realize she drove in. So now we're gonna see if they let her out. Here she comes. Oh, good stuff. Thank you very much. Hello. How good was the boom gate?
I really thought that we were going to get stuck there. We didn't get stuck.
Yeah.
I went straight up and I'm like, that is not what I saw coming.
Yeah, they were
Turns
smarter than we thought.
Or they don't really read your reg plate very well.
So is that the oil gauge?
Yeah, temperature
0.
always at 0. But it's quite hot and I'm not sure if I'm starting to smell the smell. So
Yeah, I can let it breathe.
time for a rest.
Yeah, time for a rest. It should have been long enough now to open that. Right. Wow. And we just topped it up. Topped up a new bottle. A little more. Wow. Oopsie. One more. Well, definitely drank a lot more than I thought it would have. Let's go. A little more. Come on, mate. Tell me this is the last bottle. Wow. Mate. Dead serious. That's the 4th bottle. So hopefully this one is the last one. There you go. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And it's not pissing anything on the floor. Like, that's just like what I missed. That is dripping. So closed up. And hopefully it goes good until Newcastle. I have to say that the Chirpy is absolutely loving this very slow drive because we're between like around the 90k mark. And not joking, I just passed the middle on my fuel consumption gauge. We've done 380k and I just passed the middle. It never happened. Never. Actually tomorrow before leaving we are catching up with the crew at Row 4x4 because these legends are sponsoring us for that project, so they will be installing the suspension on the HJ so that we can lead the dog rescue and through the Simpson Desert, Cape York, Fraser Island with better suspension. So good day ahead. This morning we woke up I think around 7 a.m.
Yeah.
We are heading our way a bit more to Brisbane today. Hopefully we should get to Brisbane on Friday. Very exciting. Yay! Back in Brizzy.
Coming home.
Here we go. Gentle. I got these no brakes. Come on, you got this, mate. You got this. One hand. Damn, it's a sport. It's not too bad.
Coming into Raw 4x4.
You've arrived at your destination.
Thanks, Mams. Okay, we're here in the warehouse of 4x4 and they're currently putting together some suspension to show us how it works, how the different components are, and explaining and really breaking it down for us, which is cool. Come and check this out. We are just heading in and the old truck's going to drive on a suspension test, drive him up, see how the current suspension goes, and let's check this out.
Bec, what are you doing?
Working out how to trailer the old cruiser from here back up to Brisbane because we think we've done the head gasket and there's a lot of white smoke. We're worried we're going to full on cook the engine. So yeah, problem solving. Looking at trailer hire at the moment.
And we have Roger giving us a hand, heavily involved as well in the process. We're gonna make it work. We called it. No more driving until we replace the head gasket. The crew at Row 4x4 went above and beyond to find us a tow truck that would take the cruiser to Brisbane. It was time to say goodbye, leave the keys in good hand, and keep on driving.
Well, that did not go as expected. We are not leaving with two separate cars. We got lucky. Real 4x4 looked after us.
Yeah.
They're sorting us out. They're getting old mate to go on a truck and be delivered at home. So,
Okay. Goodbye.
see you, buddy.
Stretch before arriving in Brisbane in about an hour and a half.
Yay!
Apparently a truck has picked up the HJ.
Yeah.
It should have this afternoon, so we should receive the HJ
Couple of days.
couple of days. Just got a phone call. Turns out the phone call was the truck driver who picked up the car like 2 hours ago in Newcastle, letting us know that he will arrive in Brisbane around 1:30 a.m., 2 a.m. So he said, just call us when you're here. We'll just wake up 2 a.m. in the morning. That's fine. We'll unload the car. That is nuts.
That's crazy.
That is nuts. So
I don't think I've ever had anything that quickly delivered in my life.
no, I've never had something that fast delivered and not at 2 a.m. in the morning and not a car. First time I get a car delivery. That's pretty cool. Oh, the duck. Oh, the horses. But yeah, we are so excited. Okay, it is 1 a.m. and we got just woken up by the driver calling us saying that he was 15 minutes away. So yeah, getting up and we're about to go pick up the HJ in front of the house. I would like to introduce you to Bec at 1 a.m. in the morning.
Completely fucked up. Morning is not my time.
Really confused on whatever just happened.
I don't even know.
Who called? Why did we have an alarm at 1 a.m. in the morning?
What's going on?
What is this business?
Yeah.
Now, the car is coming back. Made it home. I think that's the end of the video today.
That's it. Finally, it's home and ready for us to work on.
Yes, it's gonna be a big learning curve.
Oh yeah.
Good night, guys.
I'm out. Good night.